If you're experiencing timeout issues on your Minecraft server, follow these simple steps to improve the situation. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your server for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. A slow or unstable connection can lead to frequent timeouts. Consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better reliability. Step 2. Optimize server settings. Access your server configuration files and adjust settings such as view distance, entity tracking range, and player limits. Lowering these values can reduce the load on the server and help prevent timeouts. Step 3. Update server software. Make sure you are running the latest version of your server software, whether it's Vanilla, Spigot, or another variant. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce timeout issues. Step 4. Monitor server performance. Use server monitoring tools to check CPU and memory usage. If your server is consistently running at high usage, consider upgrading your hosting plan or optimizing plugins and mods to reduce resource consumption. Step 5. Limit plugins and mods. Review the plugins and mods installed on your server. Some may be poorly optimized and can cause lag or timeouts. Remove any unnecessary plugins and ensure that the remaining ones are up to date and well maintained. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft server's performance and a reduction in timeout issues. Happy gaming!